Welcome back. I thought I'd bring you along for you guys to see how I plant my potatoes. I'm going to be doing the potatoes in containers here in this corner. And I've chosen, well, these are like some leftover potatoes. I think they're russets. And I'm going to be planting these and also the red potatoes. I didn't have time to cut them. I usually cut them in half and let them, you know, scab over, but I haven't had time. So hopefully they do well. So what I'm going to do first is add some bone meal and some granular fertilizer and mix it in with the soil as well. That helps a lot. So let's break up the soil a little bit here. And put in a little bit of bone meal. Mix that into the soil there. I've added compost to this. All these containers have had some compost. So I'm going to try and give it some extra bone meal here. Maybe put it in deep. Some granular fertilizer. Mix that in nice. And that's going to break down over time. So it's good to have. I'm going to slowly break down in the soil and give it some good nutrients. So let's plant these up real quick. Now I'm going to plant my red potatoes in this one here. So I usually plant them about 4 to 6 inches deep. Maybe 2 potatoes in this container. Usually what I do. We'll do the red ones here. Let's see. That's about 4 inches. Cover them up. And I'm going to plant this one down this way like that. See how nicely down in there? Now they should grow right up and hit that sun. So hopefully they do well. We'll cover them up. A little more fertilizer. That one's ready to go. So let's get on this side. Do the other one. Bone meal. I'm going to do, I've got some garlic also that I'm going to be probably adding some bone meal to as well. I'll probably do that later on today. Do a little bone meal for the garlic as well. Should be good. Got nice compost in there too, so that's going to help out a lot. Good nitrogen. Granular fertilizer. All right. Plant these. Same thing, 4 to 6 inches deep. One potato there. Cover. And this one here. They should be fine. I think the weather's just starting to change up a lot, so I think they'll do well. 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 They should be fine. I think the weather's just starting to change up a lot, so I don't think they'll, even if they'll probably be up before the frost can get to them. I mean, they'll probably be up way after the frost. So they should be okay. They're gonna take a while to grow. And we're already in April. And they should do fine. That's it, guys. So that's planting my potatoes here. This bed here I'm gonna fertilize as well. This one's going to be for my sweet potatoes. So I'm going to get this bed ready. Get this bed ready here. That way when I'm ready to put those slips in here, I don't have to do too much to it. Just plant them and just water them. And the sweet potato slips are almost ready to go. I'm waiting for the weather to warm up a little more. And maybe mid-April, maybe 1st of May, I'll start planting these out here. My sweet potatoes on slips. All right. Let that break down over time to be ready for planting. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me. I thought I'd do my potatoes today, so thought I'd bring you along for that and show you how I get that done. Hopefully these will grow nice and be ready by frost, by the time frost is over with, and they'll be ready to go. So thank you guys for joining me. Have a nice weekend guys if I don't see you again, and take care.